Rida, you can start.
My name is Rida Thakur, and I'm currently pursuing first year in masters through Indira Gandhi University. Um, Doing the level 1 cognitive hypnotic coaching basic practitioner course with ICHARS has been such an amazing experience. The soft C model has given me a clear framework, and now I feel so confident that inshallah I can use it to help anyone and anywhere. This 3 week journey with 6 classes has truly been wholesome. I love the induction technique, especially the balloon and book one we did during the first class, and the Betty Erickson induction as well. The deepening hypnosis script is almost memorized now, and I'm really excited to start using it. Learning how to modulate my voice for the suggestion after the eye challenge was so interesting. It showed me just how important tone and presence are in making a session powerful. What stood out the most for me was experiencing body scanning, progressive relaxation as a client. It was so powerful and gave me such clarity. Overall, this course has been the perfect balance of learning, practicing, and personal growth. Understanding different levels of hypnosis added so much depth to my learning, and the pre class module with online pre recorded videos made it easier to grasp the theory before diving into practice. One of the most impactful moment was when we did anchoring for confidence during the class. Now I can actually feel it. I'm confident enough to speak in front of the camera like I'm doing it right now. I've attended many courses from other institutions before, but I've never felt this confident after completing one. Nowhere else have I experienced so much. Um, Nowhere else I have received so much of practical experience. This class didn't just help me to become a better coach and practitioner, it also allowed me to heal my own challenges when I experienced the techniques as a client during the practice sessions. I truly appreciate the thought and effort that has gone into creating this model. Big thanks to Nitin sir and you, Ms. Ma'am. Your guidance was exceptional and especially grateful for how accessible you were, even during weekdays, whenever we needed your support. I'm super excited to join the level 2 in February batch and plan to launch my own startup right after. I'm looking forward to joining the ICHARS 1 year fellowship program as well to get more guidance and eventually completing level 3 and 4 later. This course has really set the foundation for my journey and I can't wait to see where it takes me. Thank you.